In this quick and fast Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to enhance the quality in Photoshop of the color. So basically we'll make this picture look amazing. What we have to do, we have to hit a combination on our keyboard, which is Ctrl Shift and A, to open up this menu. And inside this pop-up menu, you will have to play with the settings of light and colors. What I usually do, I increase the exposure by 0.2 to have some light to play with, contrast 5, highlights, if you'll decrease it, you will make the sky look better, so I will leave it like that. Let's increase a bit the shadows, so we can see the ground more nicely. Whites, again, it will help the sky, but will not decrease it a lot in this case. Let's go with -5, and the blacks, let's increase it by also 5. Temperature 2, vibrance 15, and saturation also 15. Now texture, let's go 15, clarity 7, and dehaze, let's go with just 3. I saw some dots on the sky, so I think I will go with the texture back to 0 and the clarity back to 0. Now it's a little bit much better, or maybe 3 and 3. Alright, we can increase the shadow maybe a little bit more. Whites, maybe we'll increase it to from -5 to -2, and the blacks maybe to 15. Saturation 30. And I think that's it. Let's press on OK, and I will leave on the screen the before and after, so you can tell me your opinion down below. So this is how to enhance the colors in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.